Beans porridge, which is also known as Ewa is a hearty and comforting dish that embodies the essence of Nigerian cuisine. This delicious porridge is made from tender simmered beans, often blended with a medley of vibrant spices, onions, and tomatoes, creating a rich and flavorful base. The creamy texture of the beans is complemented by a hint of pepper and the aromatic infusion of palm oil, making each bite an explosion of taste. Whether it is enjoyed as a filling breakfast or a satisfying dinner, beans porridge is not just a meal. It is a celebration of tradition and comfort that nourishes the body and soul. Perfectly paired with rice, bread, yam, plantain, potatoes, or just on its own, this dish is a delightful reminder of the simple joys of home-cooked goodness. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roslyn and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. The star ingredients for today's recipe are the oloyin beans. The oloyin beans are also known as honey beans, and they are a popular variety of beans in Nigeria, celebrated for their sweet flavor and soft texture when cooked. Other ingredients include palm oil, onion, ground crayfish, unground crayfish, crushed seasoning cubes, salt, and pepper mix, which is a blend of bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and tomatoes. First of all, spread the beans out on a flat surface or a tray. Pick through them to remove any small stones, twigs, or other debris. Also, discard any beans that are shriveled or discolored. Beans are ancient. They've been cultivated for over 7,000 years, making them one of the oldest crops in human history. Beans are protein powerhouses. Yes, they are an excellent plant-based protein source, which is why they're often called the poor man's meat in many cultures. From black beans to kidney beans to chickpeas, each type of bean has a unique flavor and texture, making beans porridge incredibly versatile. Beans are eco-friendly. They help the soil, they fix nitrogen in the ground, making them beneficial for other crops. So growing them is great for the environment. Beans are a key component in the diet of people in the world's blue zones, where many people live to be over 100 years old. Have you ever heard the saying, beans, beans, the musical fruit? Well, that's because beans contain oligosaccharides, which is a type of sugar that causes gas as it's digested. So beans are not only delicious and versatile, but packed with history, nutrition, and even a little humor. Next, place the sorted beans in a bowl and rinse them under cold running water. Use your hands to stir and agitate the beans to remove any remaining dirt, dust, or residue. Although this is optional, but soaking beans for a few hours or overnight helps reduce cooking time and makes the beans more tender. It also reduces anti-nutrients, making them easier to digest. It is important to wait until the beans are almost fully cooked before adding salt or acidic ingredients like tomatoes, as they can toughen the beans and prolong cooking time. Next, in a pot, add the soaked beans and enough water to cover them. Cook until the beans are soft. If the water reduces, you can add more during cooking. After bringing to a boil, reduce the heat and simmer the beans to avoid breaking them up too much. In order to have a good texture, cook the beans until they are soft but not mushy. You want the beans to hold their shape while still creating a creamy porridge texture. In a separate pan, heat the palm oil and sauté chopped onions. Next, add the pepper mix and ground crayfish. Also, add the seasoning cubes and salt, and then fry for a few minutes to release the flavor. For extra flavor, consider adding palm oil toward the end of cooking for richness and depth. Once the beans are soft, pour the beans into the palm oil mixture and add on ground crayfish. Stir well and allow the flavors to blend by simmering for about 10 to 15 minutes. Enhance your porridge with chunks of meat or fish to make it more nutritious and flavorful. Taste and adjust the seasoning as required. And there you have it! Beans porridge is not just a hearty and nutritious meal, it is a bowl of pure comfort that warms the soul. Whether it's packed with spices or cooked simply, it's sure to leave you feeling satisfied and full of energy. So grab a spoon, dig in, and enjoy every flavorful bite of this classic dish. As for me, I love to enjoy my beans porridge with some fried potatoes. What do you love to enjoy your beans porridge with? Please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any awesome content. Your support helps the channel grow, and we can't wait to bring you even more great videos. See you next time!